Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss new options of photo editor in the photo editing app. So now we will open the app, click on the photo option and select your desired photo which you want to edit. I will select this photo, open it. So today we will start from the option which is cutout. You can add different cutouts on your photos with the help of this option. Like I am applying heart type cutout, you can see, and you can apply different type of backgrounds also. As I am applying, you can see these are abstract type, glitter type and different type of backgrounds available. You can apply different shapes of cutouts on your photo. Like I am applying numeric, alphabetic and food types, you can see I am applying. You can make it bigger and smaller with the help of your fingertips, like I am doing. You can apply this drop type effect also, cutout effect, and you can apply different types of backgrounds also. So let's move on to another option, which is mirror. You can apply different 2D type and 3D type mirror effects on your desired photos which you want to edit. Like I am applying different 2D type effects to my photo, you can see these are 2D type effects you can apply on your photo if you want. These are almost free effects. These effects are almost free. You can see this 3D type heart type effect, this leaf type effect, this foot type effect and many more type of 3D effects you can apply if you want. So let's move on to another option, which is body. You can make changes to your different body parts with the help of this tab. As I am applying, you can see you can make your different body parts size bigger and smaller and make changes to it with the help of this cursor. As I am applying, you can make chest size bigger, smaller, and this you can apply also this like this with the help of this cursor. Move it or place the effect option where we want to apply on your body, on which body part you want to apply, and make it adjust. Like I am going to do my arm thicker and thinner, set it and apply like this with the help of this cursor, you can see. Also apply on this arm. You can make changes to your face also like this. Make changes to height and length, width of your photo with the help of this. Set it to your specific area which you want to apply and drag with the help of this cursor. You can apply also. So you can easily make changes to your different body parts with the help of this body option. So friends, we will discuss remaining options in the next video. Hope you like my video. If my video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.